saucy. I love bean sprouts. Me too. It's like extra noodles when the noodles run out.
I know what you mean.
Ding. Cheers.
Maybe I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up.
Just tried this new foundation. It's not new, but it's new to me. It's the Ilia Super Serum Skin Tint. And I really like how it looks on my skin. It's pretty natural, but I really like that it has a dewy finish. Actually on our way to the city today because I really wanted to check out Little Island. It opened a few months ago, but just wanted to check it out.
Gave you my doubts and I watched them go. Gave you my fears and we took them slow. Gave me a warmth when I was so cold. Gave me a love, honey, I was sold.
But I'm afraid. But darling, if you stay, there's somewhere far
Alright, you hungry?
I just
Yeah, let's go.
Trying to decide what we want to eat for dinner, and along the way we passed by Chelsea Market, so Chelsea Market it is. This is the fried quesadilla and the chicken taco. He just started yelping and now he can't stop taking pictures of
Alright.
everything he eats. Cheers! Okay, so I'm looking a little rough, but I just quickly wanted to show you guys one of my favorite products for color toning your hair at home. My hair right now, let me go in the sunlight so you can see better. My hair is a little bit brassier and it's time to tone it a little bit. So I've been really loving this. A super quick and simple fix if I either don't have time to go to the hair salon or I just need a quick fix at home. Okay, so I just got out of the shower after doing the mask and I blow dried my hair about 80%, but I want to show you guys the difference that this made. So it's a really subtle difference, but you can definitely tell that it's a lot less brassy. Got some glazed pizza.
Wow.
Whoa.
It has red onions, banana peppers, chicken, mushroom, and a pesto drizzle.
Your nails match the onions.
Thanks.
Cheers. Cheers. I started watching it at like 9. I slept at 3. And I was like, oh my god, I can't break 9 for this.
Because if you like stop in the middle and go to sleep, it'll probably be in your dreams.
It wasn't my dreams.
What?
Actually, it wasn't my dreams too, even after I finished.
Yeah, I dreamt about it.
Yeah,
Do I need
went
to dedicate a
about
whole
too.
day
Huh?
to watch it? I need to dedicate a whole day to watch it?
Yeah, I would.
Damn.
I'm getting a workout.
She's sweating. She's working hard for them churros.
Right?
They go like.
Cheers.
Are you eating ice cream? Not bad. The texture.
Yeah. Wait, hold up.
Damn, that was fast service. Whose fork is this?
Juvie just brought her cookies. Why are you hiding? Juvie just brought her cookies, and if you guys are interested in ginormous 50-pound cookies, check out Jum's Bakery.
Oh no, I think you good.
I feel like it's good.
Yeah.